Giggle Box Kids! Hi friends! Welcome to Giggle Box Kids Magic! Come join us for our fun morning routine! The sun is shining bright, a brand new day is here. Pixie and Giggle wake up with a cheerful cheer. Open up the window, let the sun shine in. Let the happy morning magic now begin. Oh, what a lovely morning, so bright and gay. We've got so many fun things to do today. Working all together, side by side, with smiles on our faces and hearts so wide. Grab the little toothbrush, brush, brush, brush. No need to hurry, there is no need to rush. Splash, splash water on a happy face, getting fresh and ready in our cozy place. Time for yummy breakfast, healthy and so sweet. Pouring crunchy cereal for a yummy treat. Fresh and juicy berries, milk so pure and white. Sitting at the table, eating with delight. Sweeping up the floors, keeping everything neat. Every little corner clean and sweet. Picking up our toys and putting them away. Tidy little room to start a happy day. Oh, what a lovely morning, so bright and gay. We got so many fun things to do today. Working all together, side by side, with smiles on our faces and hearts so wide. Watering the flowers, watching them upgrow. Giving drinks of water in a happy row. Smiling at the petals blooming in the sun. Taking care of nature makes us feel so fun. Hanging up the laundry, drying in the sun. Folding little clothes when washing is all done. Helping one another, hand in hand we go. That's the way we daily learn and daily grow. Thanks for watching, friends. Make sure to subscribe